Today we plan to visit Royal Enfield showroom in Dhaka, which is newly established in Bangladesh, near Nabisco Moor in Tejgaon. Full address are 42, Northeast Side, 1 Shahid Tajuddin Ahmed Avenue, Dhaka 1208. Here is the map and address link in the description. Oh, we reached the showroom. After parking our Gixxer bike, we enter to the showroom. Let's go. Please don't forget to lock your own bike, as it is main roadside shop, so need to careful to avoid any unexpected incident to your own vehicle.
Here we go. The Royal Enfield. This showroom is two-storied. In the first floor, you will look 3 special edition and popular bikes display. These are Classic 350, Hunter 350, and Bullet 350. All are 350cc engine, very unique motorbikes. Especially Bullet 350 is among the best-selling bike. It has 3 variant color on it, price and uniqueness. Price is 4,10,000 to 4,30,000. Bullet 350 has 3 variant, as I said. Standard maroon and black color price are 4,10,000, and black gold color is 4,30,000. I prefer maroon one. What do you say? Next one is Hunter 350. A shot of style, a shot of torque, a shot of fun is Royal Enfield Hunter 350. All the intense flavors of pure motorcycling packed into a fun, stylish, new machine. Next is Classic 350. A classic backstory. Through historical references, stories, and anecdotes shared by our key collaborators, we would like to take you on a wistful trip down memory lane to live the legacy of the timeless classic. From its inception, captured in a monochromatic photograph of the G2 model, to the journey it took to becoming the most loved motorcycle across the globe. Central to the Classic 350 is a J-Series engine that beats to a unique Royal Enfield rhythm. Colors available in dark stealth black, dark gunmetal gray, chrome red, chrome bronze, halcyon black, halcyon green, signals marsh gray, signals desert sand. Price starting from 4,40,000 Bangladeshi, Taka. Let's go to the upsteer. We are going to upsteer. Lots customer gathering there to feel the thrill of Royal Enfield. Everybody are thrilled to see the bike collection, engine feature, and design. We also enjoying the show. They are taking photo, video, and sit on the bike to feel it comfortness. Let's have a look. People's reaction and fun. See all bike collection for Bangladesh. Here also have some bike accessories as like helmet, raincoat, jacket, pad, leg guard, etc. All are Royal Enfield branded, specially designed for the bike riders. Let's have a look, the showroom and their collection. We also take some photo with our Desire bike. Let you see how funny it was. After visit Royal Enfield showroom, we back to home with happy moments.